here. Do you see it? But I don't like this dress. What should I do? What shall I do? What shall I do? I have an idea. Let's go shopping for a new dress. Okay. Bye-bye. Ta! I am here. Ooh, look. There are so many pumpkins. So cool. Look. Up there are so many pumpkins. Oh, I cannot reach. But I can reach over here. So many pumpkins. I love pumpkins. Whoa, so many scary things. I'm here. So scary. Look over here. Hello, guys. So funny. Ooh, so many Halloween things. Here are also pumpkins. Ooh, and here, and here. And here are skeletons. Look over here also. So many Halloween things. Ooh, that is for the rich. Come on, fly. Whee! It's the color purple, and it also has pink color with sparkles, and an evil girl I am. That's for the evil boys and girls. So many masks. Look over here. Woo! It's not so hard. It's plastic. Ooh, so cool. I like Halloween. It's so beautiful, but a bit scary. Ooh, there are snakes. And now I want to show you over here, down here. There's for witches. I'm a witch, guys. I need to fly. Ooh, mask. Gotta get it done up here. Ooh. Oh, it's so scary. Look, his teeth are yellow, not so pretty. No. I don't like yellow teeth. It's ugly. Ooh, look over here. Hello, mister. I'm not a mister, I am bad guy. Ooh, look, there's my other eye. It's just prank. It's just a headband with some googly eyes. Ooh. That's for the bad guys. Has so many bad things. What I want to show you now, look. I am a skeleton. Hello guys, I'm your friend, a skeleton. He's real, I think. He has foot. That's our bones. We have also these bones. Ooh, spiders. Ooh, I like this pink one. My favorite color is pink. Ooh, I'm gonna put this in my eye. Look, there's so many Halloween costumes. Ooh, I saw one, and I have one. And I'm gonna show you at home when we come back. So many things. I like this one. It's red, my beautiful color. But so small. I want that. I have one, but I can show you at home. Ooh, so many. Oh, here are spider webs. Here, look. Beautiful costume. This is glowing. And Halloween donuts, and there are sprinkles, Halloween sprinkles, and the color is orange. It has Halloween decorations. I love donuts, but not so healthy. Ooh, there's a pumpkin. She has eyes. She has two eyes, not one eye. It has a triangle nose and it has teeth. And eyes are black and triangle shape, and the tooth is white. And it's scary. Ooh. Wow! I'm happy that I have a new Halloween costume and I'm a witch. I'm so excited. Yay! I'm so excited. And I'm scary. And on my head I have a witch. Like me, I'm a witch. So funny. We have two witches, me and he. I like this Halloween costume and it's so scary. I hear something. Oh no. Ooh, no, it's scary. There is a ghost. Oh no, I'm scary. Don't come at me. I gotta run away. If you like this video, subscribe and make likes. See you next time, friends.